At QAIS, we believe that mathematics should be enjoyable, develop knowledge and skills, and develop our students' deeper understanding of patterns and applications. To help us achieve this, we follow the MYP and DP programs.
In grades 6 to 10, students study in the MYP mathematics framework. We place an emphasis on students building strong mathematical fundamentals through investigation and consolidation, with all students also learning how to apply these mathematical methods to real-life problems. In lessons, students learn through a mix of investigations, projects and consolidation, mixing individual and group work to ensure all students can recognise problems, apply methods to solve them, and to fully communicate their solutions to others. An example of this is in grade 7, where students use ratio and scale drawing to build an accurate model of their bedrooms, developing skills which can later be used in design and engineering.
The MYP concludes with the E-assessment, an international assessment which assesses students' knowledge and understanding, investigation skills, communication, and ability to apply mathematics to real-life problems. Following the MYP, our students study and prepare for the IB diploma. In mathematics, there are two options: applications and interpretations, and analysis and approaches.
Mathematics AI is a course which focuses on the application of mathematics to solve problems seen in the real world, from applying statistics to predicting successful sports stars, to using calculus to optimize the shape of an oil pipeline. Students will apply advanced mathematics methods to complex problems. In grade 11, students model water flow using linear and quadratic functions. Identifying factors and relating solutions back into the context helps develop strong skills which are useful in mathematics and other subjects.
Mathematics, Analysis and Approaches is a course focusing on the underlying approaches of mathematics, from developing an understanding of proofs to building methods of calculus from first principles. Students will develop an abstract and in-depth understanding of the principles of mathematics. For example, students examine the Tower of Hanoi to discover the recursive formula for the optimal solution, and from this rigorously prove the explicit formula. All of our courses are designed and taught in a way to help students develop skills beyond mathematical techniques, such as problem solving, identifying important information, and logical reasoning. We complement our curriculum with world-recognized maths competitions, such as the American Math Olympiad, the Australian Maths Challenge, and the Maths Kangaroo. These, together with our rigorous standards, help prepare students for further study and lifelong learning.